So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to invest in high dividend monthly paying stocks here on Moomoo. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom left and press on the markets icon. Once you're here, you can select US or Canadian stocks, whatever the case may be. For this example, let's go ahead and press on US stocks right here. I want you to scroll down, so you're probably going to be on this page right here. I want you to scroll down to where it says dividend rankings, and I want you to press on high dividend, and then press on the arrow. So once you're here, you actually have a bunch of different stocks that are listed right here that Moomoo considers to be high dividend. So the dividend yield, the TTM, as you can tell, there's some very high paying ones. If you were to scroll down, you can find some other ones. So like the Ford Motor Company, for instance, 7.98% at this time. Scroll down to Pfizer, 7.5%. TELUS, 7.17%. Altria. Whatever the case may be, you have a bunch of different stocks right here in regards to dividends. So Verizon, 6.32%. So that's one way you can find the dividend yield. Now, if you want to find if they're monthly paying, I want you to slide this top bar a little bit to the right where it says dividend frequency. So here you go, you have yearly, semi-yearly, quarterly, whatever. If you were to go ahead and press on that, you can actually see a bunch of different stocks that pay monthly. So for example, Realty Income, ticker symbol O. There's a 5.4% dividend yield, for instance, and it also is monthly paying. So, right here, you can check the dividends just like this. Now, if you want to check the schedule as well, the dividend calendar, so we'll go to dividend calendar, we'll type in ticker symbol O for Realty Income right here. As you can tell, roughly the first to the third of every month, a dividend is paid. So if you want to invest in a high dividend monthly paying stock, you can go ahead and view the dividend calendar this way, but also to check out high dividend stocks through the dividend rankings section. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to invest in high dividend monthly paying stocks here on the Moomoo application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.